How to make credits in CapCut. So first go to CapCut, and then for example there's your video, and say let's add a credit here. So you just need to go to the end of the video and just add a text here. Click on this one at the top, and then let's just add default text. Okay, now here you just need to add your text here. So say let's add credits, and then let's just type in test example, hey, something like that, and then so on and so forth. Okay, now these are just examples. Okay, so let's add a little more. Example 2. Okay, now here let's just make this a little bit bigger. Okay, now next is if you want to change the font, you can just change the fonts here. Just select any of the fonts here, and then from here, if you want it to start sliding up, you just need to let's start it from here, and then just need to select the text, and then let's go with animation here. Oh wait, no, text, and then let's scroll down and look for that scale. This one, let's just add a keyframe here. So okay, and then let's go to the inside of the text and let's add another keyframe, but by the end of the text, let's just make sure the text is at this part here. So whenever the text plays, so let's try and play it. As you can see, now it starts scrolling. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.